Are you escaping?
I'm attempting to. Right. Wow. That bulb. Let the bulbs cool down a bit. Drop something. What'd it drop?
I don't know.
Damn. Oh yeah. That hurts. Okay. So, let me grab a quick screwdriver. Battery so that we don't fry the battery itself.
It's on its tender.
Yeah, but still. Never take any chances.
I thought you had a screwdriver in there.
I did, but that's inside the car. And I am not going back in there for a couple of minutes. Okay. That's why it was such a... Oh yeah, that thing's been bad for a while. Whew. Okay, on that note, ladies and gentlemen, I'm taking a break for a couple of minutes. Tend to my wounds.